Welcome to Crypto Crash Course, everything you need to know before investing. In this comprehensive video, we'll provide you with all the essential information you need to navigate the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete beginner, this crash course will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central authority. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are just a few examples of popular cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional fiat currency, which is issued and regulated by governments, cryptocurrency operates on decentralized networks called blockchains. These networks rely on a consensus mechanism to validate and record transactions, ensuring transparency and security. Blockchain is the underlying technology behind cryptocurrency, serving as a decentralized ledger that records all transactions in a secure and transparent manner. Miners play a crucial role in maintaining the blockchain network by validating transactions and adding them to the ledger. When you invest in cryptocurrency, you're essentially buying digital assets that can be traded, exchanged, or used to purchase goods and services. To store and manage your cryptocurrency holdings, you'll need a digital wallet, which can be either hardware-based or software-based. While cryptocurrency offers exciting opportunities for potential returns, it also comes with its fair share of risks and challenges. Market volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and security vulnerabilities are just a few of the factors that investors need to consider before diving in. It's crucial to do your own research and due diligence before investing in cryptocurrency. Be wary of get-rich-quick schemes and promises of guaranteed returns. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency is speculative, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose. There are many ways to invest in cryptocurrency, ranging from long-term hodling to active trading. Each strategy has its own risks and potential rewards, so it's essential to find an approach that aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Dollar-cost averaging is a popular strategy for investing in cryptocurrency, where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This helps smooth out the highs and lows of the market and can be an effective way to accumulate cryptocurrency over time. As we look ahead to the future, the potential of cryptocurrency is boundless. From mainstream adoption to technological innovation, cryptocurrency is poised to revolutionize the way we think about money, finance, and the global economy. The key to success in the world of cryptocurrency is to stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay adaptable. The landscape is constantly evolving, and what may be true today may not hold true tomorrow. By staying ahead of the curve and being open to new opportunities, you can position yourself for success in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Thank you for joining us on this crash course through the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, I hope you've gained valuable insights and knowledge that will help you navigate the exciting and ever-changing landscape of cryptocurrency. Until next time, happy investing and stay crypto savvy.